All right, Saturday, June 28th, 6:51 a.m. Bolt, the vibe coding tool, is free all weekend. And I've read a lot of articles that say if you want to sort of practice your craft at vibe coding, you should make a to-do list app. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And I've really spent about 30 minutes writing this little text description. Can you help me make a to-do list app? And I've made a Figma file with some visuals. So let's find that Figma file and bring that over. And so in my to-do list app, all I wanted to do is use the device's microphone, speak into the microphone, turn it into text, and turn it into a button. I have a neutral state with an icon. If the user taps on the icon, it turns green and makes a strike through. After 1 day, the list item turns yellow, indicate that it's overdue. 2 days it turns orange, and 3 days it turns red. So this seems reasonable. I'm going to copy this URL. I've thought about the parameters. I'm going to hide my description right here. And I've logged into Bolt, and it says, connect your Figma file, paste the URL here, import Figma from Bolt. Maybe I should not do that first. Let's pause, actually. Let's bring our idea to life first. Let's paste, type your idea, and we'll bring it to life. And now let's go get the Figma URL. And it says, or let's just hit, sure, we'll bring in the visuals later. So it's 6:55, 4 minutes later. I didn't even attach my Figma file. I like Bolt's design better anyhow. Let's just try it. So I'm going to try it right here in the native environment. I might need to hit deploy to make this work. It's asking me for microphone permissions. Allow while visiting this site. Certainly. Listening. Speak clearly to define your task. Potential problems detected. More info about this. Okay, so should we try to fix these problems? Not surprisingly, we run into an error. I'm going to click Attempt Fix. All right, so here we are in Bolt. I had some errors. I asked Bolt to fix the errors. Bolt explained the errors that it did indeed fix. It looks like I'm getting some doubles. So you can see that I'm getting duplicates. But let's try this again. Buy flowers for my wife. So that's a minor problem. It's duplicating. We can't wait a day to see if these turn yellow, but let's see if we can check and it turns green. Double click and it goes away. So I have two of the functionalities that I want so far. Let's try to add a new task one more time. Register dash for the Jiu-Jitsu tournament. Wow, so far so good. I'm going to see if I can fix this duplication error. 7:05 a.m. I've got this working really well, but I've asked Bolt to change the visual feedback to minutes instead of days so I can test after it's working. So it's now 7:06. New task, walk the dog. Looks like my duplicates are coming back, but I can fix that later. I'm going to... All right, and we're back. I have changed the duration from days into minutes, and it looks like it seems to be working. Seems like it's skipped orange, but maybe this is 3 minutes old already. I'm still getting some duplication. Let's go new task. Buy groceries for the camping trip. Yes, and orange is working. Still getting that duplication, but I can double click to delete. So there it is, my first attempts on vibe coding with Bolt's free weekend plan. It's now 7:10. We're 15 minutes in, and we have generated a rough prototype of a to-do list. Let's see if we can check the checkbox icon, and it is indeed done. And I'll say this one is done as well, and I can double click to delete. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.